Hello everyone, and today I printed a 3D model of the Copernicus Crater. Model printed very well and in my opinion is very highly detailed. The Copernicus Crater was named after the astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus. It's approximately 800 million years old, 150 kilometers wide and 3.8 kilometers in depth. It also comes with a stand, and the model should be placed inside this stand. And it could be a good addition in someone's office. This model is free to download from Thingiverse. Link will be in the description box. It took me almost nothing, 16.5 hours to print it. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and leaving a like is always appreciated.